Once nearly eradicated from California's landscapes, rivers, and wetlands, beavers are now making a comeback. But it's more than just reintroducing species, it's about supporting a watershed ecosystem that depends on these engineers. Before European settlement, beavers were abundant across California's landscapes, from the Klamath Basin all the way to the Sierra foothills and even the Central Valley. Unfortunately, as a result of the fur trade era in the 1800s, their population was nearly eradicated. By the 1900s, there was almost no trace of beavers left in California, but today that story is changing. Multiple reintroduction programs are aiming to bring beavers back to the ecosystems they once so powerfully engineered.
In 2023, the California Department of Fish and Wildlife launched the Beaver Restoration Program to support beaver translocation and beaver-assisted restoration. Then in 2024, Assembly Bill 2196 made the restoration program state law.
While instating these laws, tribal partnership with government agencies like the Department of Water Resources and the California Natural Resource Agency is key to protect native land and natural ecosystems that beavers reside in. For example, in 2024, the Tule River Tribe partnered with the California Natural Resource Agency to release beavers into their watershed. This was ultimately successful and helped water retention that was necessary to provide drinking water to the tribe and resources to other species.
Powerful ecosystem engineers. When they build their dams, they reshape geomorphology and hydrology of streams, slowing water flow and increasing the retention of sediment and organic matter.
This process helps create and maintain wetlands, while the wetting of soil shifts nutrient cycling, often creating anaerobic conditions that change how nutrients decompose. These dams also transform the riparian zone, influencing which plants grow, how they grow, and even their chemical makeup.
Downstream beaver activity alters the quality of water materials moving throughout the system. It also creates diverse and stable habitats for wildlife.
In urban streams, natural beaver damming can actually offset common problems like channel widening, incision, and bank erosion. By slowing velocity and forming ponds, beaver dams reduce sediment transport and help restore channel complexity. For fish, these changes mean larger channel areas, cooler water, and improved spawning conditions. And it's not just fish, beaver-created habitats support ducks, frogs, turtles, and a variety of other aquatic species. Beaver dams don't just build ponds, they build healthier, more resilient stream ecosystems.
Successful coexistence with beavers means balancing their ecological benefits with human needs. They create wetlands, slow water, recharge aquifers, and boost biodiversity, but their dams can also flood roads, culverts, and farmland. We use proactive coexistence strategies to manage this, like flood and flow management tools like pond levelers and beaver deceivers, and that let water move through dams without damaging infrastructure. Protecting infrastructure is simple and effective. Wrapping trees in wire mesh, applying deterrent paints, and installing culvert fences or guards to prevent unwanted dam building and reduces long-term maintenance costs. We also design smarter spaces. Zoning and buffer areas, about 30 to 50 meters wide, give beavers room to build naturally, while beaver-compatible floodplains allow seasonal flooding without conflict.